Hello guys, how are you? So in this video I want to look at how to use automated response to in Facebook. You want to automate your response, you want to reduce the work efforts, so that you'll be able to reach out to so many people at a very easy time. Just automate some responses and what have you. Of course, I've done a video using MobileMonkey, and some integrations have actually been done since then. So I'm going to do more videos on that, and we are going to see. But let us just use Facebook as a tool and what automated responses that are available within your Facebook tool. Now, the most important thing is that you should understand that whenever you are looking at some advanced tools like this, we are not looking at it on the Facebook account level. Rather, we are going a bit further into the Facebook page. Okay. And like I've just said, my name is Fetuga Mojeed. This is my YouTube channel. I'm into web development and digital marketing. If you are new to this, please kindly subscribe, consider subscribing, be a part of my community. I have more than 50 videos explaining areas of Facebook and other aspects of the playlist. A lot of videos available for you. You can actually be a part of my community and let's work together. There are lots of guides available, and if you have any questions, I love to really share the little I know on that topic. So be a part of my community, and you can DM me, follow me on my Facebook page, my Instagram. Be a part of my community. Thank you in advance. So let's get started. Okay. Now, if you are actively engaging on your Facebook, you will be seeing your growth, your reach would really grow. And one of the things you should consider is increasing your page likes. Like, I'm not really doing much of this, but I would really skyrocket my results in a very short time. But let us get started. One of the tools that you want to use is to automate your messages. So you come to your inbox, and if you click on your inbox, you are going to see automated responses. Automated responses. Let me reduce the screen. You can see everything now. Okay, automated responses, email, Facebook. Of course, you can also connect your Instagram and your WhatsApp with your Facebook. But here we are not going to that. I've done videos on that, but we want to look at automated responses. And when we say automated responses, we are looking at you having the opportunity to address some issues, okay, based on great people, share information, and you get information. Also send confirmations, like if there's a job offer and somebody has filled in the form, you want to send automated confirmations. There are tools you really want to invest in setting up so that your business will be easy and your engagement level would increase. So you want to set up a follow-up messages and all this. These are 4 areas that you can actually set up your automated responses, and let's get started. Okay, and I'm not going to change some of the tools. One of the things is just that once you pick an aspect, you check that aspect, you activate the aspect, like instant replies. Now here is my instant reply is activated. So you can come to your edit. No, now we are having like 2 or 3 tabs within this. So we are having edits. You can just please hello. Let me add hello. I want to add the full name of the recipient. So this is going to work. Yes. So you can see hello Fetuga Mojeed. Thanks for contacting Mojeed Fetuga Marketing Solution. I'll get back to you in a minute. Cheers. So this is an automated response. If you should chat me up on my email, my Facebook Messenger, you are going to receive that, and that is like a confirmation. I can also say that probably if I want people to call me or if I want people to WhatsApp me, I can just enter my WhatsApp contact, and anybody that chats me up and I'm not responding at the time, automated response go to acknowledge the person, to greet the person, and to will inform the person where I will be currently active, which is my WhatsApp. Okay, who is not currently active? If you are not active on your WhatsApp, please put in the comments. Probably you want to use the second one that is really growing now. I'm going to do a video on WhatsApp and WhatsApp integration and some other things. Of course, I've done some, if you can see some tools on WhatsApp. I'm going to really do so. If you want to set up your WhatsApp with your Facebook and you want to drive traffic from your Facebook onto your WhatsApp, this video would definitely help you, because I actually step by step explain everything as you should have it. The next one is away message. You can just turn it on whenever you are away, and your response would also go. You can just click on it and you would schedule what's the duration and how the event wants to go. So that is for greeting. Now, share and get information. Share and get information as frequently asked question, and this is where it gets a very much tricky and very very much tricky, because with share and get information tag, you can really do a lot of things and you save yourself from so many headache. You really connect with so many people, you gather information, you know what people are looking for, and you can easily redirect people. You share your information, your link, let us get started. So the first thing is that you have to check it on, and you just click on this tab, and this pop-up will come up where you can actually set up a timing, which is now set as automated response as sent instantly after somebody taps a question. So you want to click on edit, and you have opportunity of asking a question. Like if you should click a question and you ask a question, it will be the automated response. So let me say, how do you okay how do you how can I get a website? Okay, this is a question. Okay, and you want to put in your response, and your response will start with, probably you personalize the person. Okay, and you also probably want to say, kindly click this link for detailed information. Okay, probably you have built a website, a landing page, where you put in the step, the requirement, payments and everything. You want to put a link there. Let me add this. You can just say a website, and you can, this is my website. Okay, and you can say probably a phone number, an address and what have you. So you can do that, or you can just click add a button, and you click here to visit the website page. I know, and here you put in your URL, https mojeedfetuga.com. okay, and that is how all these can really go. And you can add an attachment, you can add an image, you can add a video, you can do anything as a response to any of the question. And of course you can just say, okay, let me just say the https mojeedfetuga.com/blog. okay, and you can do that. Also, you can really automate questions. So how will it look like if somebody comes to your inbox and the person sees options like this, how can I get a website, and the person clicks on ask? Okay, the person comes to your website, your Facebook page, and sees an option. Let me increase this. So the person just click and say on the chat, just say, how can I get a website? And the person clicks ask because that is automated. So you'll see a lot of options, probably 2 or 4 5 questions related to your niche, your business, and the person just click ask. The next thing that happens is that there's an automated message that would go and just say, okay, this is what you need, thank you for asking, this is the answer, this is the information. And probably you have a video, you add the video, you have anything you really want to add, you put, even if it's an advert of a upcoming event, you can always add. You can automate so many things and get engaged with your customers or your prospects or your audiences. And these are just using Facebook automated tools. Okay, let us continue. Now, you can add more questions, you can add button, you can add menu, you can just do a lot of things, set it up. Once you are through, you must click save. You must click save. Don't forget to save. And once you click save, it becomes an active tool. But in my own case, if I just click save, it's going to ask me that I need to do some things and all those things, because I've actually set up an automated using MobileMonkey, and that is, I don't want to change that one. So you can do a lot of things with this tool. Easy. Just set it one time and it becomes active for as long as your account is active. So you can always update it anytime and what have you. Send confirmation. That is if you are setting up a job application, or probably you are requesting for a job offer. People, you can set it up here, and you set up. You first of all check to activate this job application receive message, and you click on this, and it's going to be sent immediately. And this is going to be a template of what will be sent. You can just click on edit, and you put a personalization. Like in my own case, I want to put the name of the person. I always like to personalize it. So we have received your this, and you can add any other information that you really want to add on that. You can add information, you can add the next line of action. And if 1 million people click and set up a job offer, 1 million message instantly will be sent out to those set of people. And that is how powerful automated tools can be. So let me check this one off, because I really do not want that. Now, a follow-up can be tools like appointment reminders. If you have an appointment, you are looking forward to your appointment, you can click on this and you edit it. If you have a page recommended, so thanks for recommending us, we're glad. So you can edit, you can check this, and you edit, and this will be sent 10 minutes after someone publicly shares that they recommend Mojeed Fetuga. Okay, that will go. And we also have a thank you and all those things, information that you can put. And of course, page not recommended, sorry, we are sorry you had a bad experience. Well, there are so many things you can really do in order to stay connected with your customers, your prospects, your audience, and what have you. So automated messages. Which of these 4 automated options will you really use for your business? Please comment below and just share your experience with the world. Like in my own case, share and get information is what I'm using. Of course, I also have great people, but this is what I really focus on, because we really want to build websites and run digital marketing services and what have you. So you put in your comment, please put in the comment which of these options you feel would help your business, or which of these options has helped your business, and how will you encourage others to use it, and what other information is available with from your own end. Please kindly put in the description, in the comment sections, and let's become a part of this team. Okay, thank you and all the best. Don't forget to subscribe.